Cell culture, the process of growing cells under controlled laboratory conditions, is fundamental to biological research and biopharmaceutical production. This process relies heavily on a variety of consumables, including media, sera, reagents, and disposables. The global cell culture consumables market is experiencing significant growth, driven by factors like the increasing demand for biopharmaceuticals and advancements in cell culture technologies. This market was valued at billions of dollars in 2023 and is projected to reach tens of billions by 2030. This essay will explore the key trends and factors driving the growth of the cell culture consumables market.
One of the most significant trends driving the cell culture consumables market is the increasing demand for biopharmaceuticals. These drugs, including monoclonal antibodies, vaccines, and cell therapies, have revolutionized the treatment of various diseases. Their production relies heavily on cell culture techniques. The growth of the biopharmaceutical industry, fueled by the increasing prevalence of chronic diseases and the rising geriatric population, is directly impacting the demand for cell culture consumables.
Another major trend is the shift towards advanced cell culture techniques, particularly 3D cell culture. Traditional 2D cell culture methods often fail to accurately mimic the in vivo environment, limiting their predictive power for drug discovery and toxicity testing. 3D cell culture, which allows cells to grow in a more natural three-dimensional environment, is gaining traction as it offers a more physiologically relevant model system. This shift towards 3D cell culture is driving the demand for specialized consumables, such as scaffolds, matrices, and bioreactors.
Cell culture media, the nutrient-rich broth that supports cell growth, is a crucial component of cell culture systems. There is a growing trend towards the development and adoption of more defined and ethical media formulations. Traditionally, cell culture media often contained animal-derived components, such as fetal bovine serum, or FBS. However, the use of FBS raises ethical concerns and can introduce variability into experiments. To address these limitations, researchers and companies are increasingly focusing on developing serum-free, chemically defined, and animal component-free media. These advanced media formulations offer greater consistency, reduce the risk of contamination, and align with ethical considerations. The development and adoption of these advanced media are expected to further drive the growth of the cell culture consumables market.
Section 4. Cell-based research, fueling a revolution in health. Beyond biopharmaceutical production, cell culture plays a vital role in a wide range of research and development activities. It is particularly crucial in areas like cancer research, regenerative medicine, and stem cell research. Cell-based assays are essential for studying disease mechanisms, screening drug candidates, and developing new therapies. For instance, in cancer research, cell culture models are used to study tumor cell behavior, test the efficacy of anti-cancer drugs, and develop personalized treatment strategies. In regenerative medicine, cell culture is instrumental in expanding populations of cells for tissue engineering and cell-based therapies. The growing application of cell culture in these cutting-edge research areas is significantly contributing to the increasing demand for cell culture consumables.
Section 5. Market landscape, segmentation, and key players. The cell culture consumables market is highly diverse, segmented based on product type, application, end user, and region. By product type, the market is categorized into media, sera, reagents, and disposables. Media, being the most essential component, dominates the market share. Applications of cell culture consumables span across drug discovery, biopharmaceutical production, and basic research. Geographically, North America currently holds the largest market share due to the well-established biopharmaceutical industry and significant investments in life sciences research. However, the Asia-Pacific region is expected to witness substantial growth in the coming years, driven by factors like increasing research and development activities, rising healthcare expenditure, and a growing focus on developing domestic biopharmaceutical industries. Section 6. Future prospects, growth, and emerging opportunities. The global cell culture consumables market is poised for substantial growth in the coming years, driven by the increasing demand for biopharmaceuticals, advancements in cell culture technologies, and the expanding applications of cell-based research. The market is expected to witness a significant shift towards more defined and ethical media formulations, three-dimensional cell culture techniques, and automated cell culture systems. Emerging technologies such as organ-on-a-chip devices and microfluidic cell culture platforms are also expected to create new opportunities in the market. These technologies offer the potential to develop more physiologically relevant in vitro models, accelerating drug discovery and personalized medicine. Overall, the cell culture consumables market is expected to remain on a growth trajectory, driven by the increasing demand for innovative and efficient solutions for cell-based research and biopharmaceutical production.